Hello, this is Carol Faust, and I'm the director of the School of Health Sciences and Human Movement. This short video will detail the end of program exam. If you are an exercise science, physical education, and recreation major or health sciences major, you are required to take this exam at least once before you graduate. So you don't need to take this exam until you're at the end of your field experience hours. So if you're in your first credit hour or second credit hour, you can choose to take the exam when you're in the semester with your last field experience hours. If you're taking 6 credit hours a semester, this probably is your last semester of field hours, so you would want to go ahead and take the exam. If you are a minor in exercise science, physical education and recreation, or health sciences area, you are not required to take the exam. So if you are a major, you'll be taking the exam. The exam is 50 points. It's focused on the core areas of your degree. So for the exercise science students, it would be questions from classes such as nutrition or personal health or kinesiology, managing programs. So it's the core area. And for the health science students, it'll be general health science questions around medical terminology, chemistry, some of the pathophysiology, personal health. So it'll be some real basic kinds of health science questions. You have the opportunity to take the exam 2 times. So you can go in, take the exam. If there's some areas that you're unsure of, you're allowed to kind of jot those down and look back in your notes or your books and identify the answer. So we do ask that you do not work with any other people on this, but you can interface with your books and your notes and that kind of thing from your classes. Then you can go back in and take the exam a second time. You must get at least a 70% on the exam, so you'd want to get at least 35 out of 50 in order to pass it and to be able to graduate. So that's about the end of program exam. We're also asking you to fill out an end of program survey that will give us some feedback of your perceptions of the program itself and the classes. So you'll find the exam and the survey on the left navigation bar under the appropriate tabs. If you still have questions, let your instructor know. Thanks.